Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to grill this awesome looking lamb burger. It's time to grill. So this recipe idea basically comes from Jamie Oliver. He grilled once a lamb burger with hot sauce and some yogurt sauce, and that's the goal we are having today as well. So this is a lamb burger from one of my favorite online butchery, gourmetfleisch.de. I will put a link into the video description, you can check it out wherever you are. So we're gonna take this patty and we're gonna add some hot sauce here. This is Sambal Oelek, which basically consists of a lot of chili and salt, but you can use any other chili paste you like. So this is kind of an oriental way of grilling. So we take our cast iron pan here with some oil in there and we're gonna grill the patty with the sauce face down. I'm gonna speed this up a little bit, so this gives kind of a crust and adds some heat to the burger. And after several minutes we're gonna flip this one. And here we go. Keep that sauce. You might have seen my video for the Strindberg steak, which kind of was a sauce with mustard and onions. So this is kind of similar, only without the onions. And now we're gonna add some cheese here as well. I decided to put on 2 slices of cheddar cheese. This is not in the original version, but I decided to add some cheese that would work here pretty good. So we're gonna close the lid and let the cheese melt, and in the meantime we prepare our yogurt sauce. So the yogurt sauce basically is the component for that burger, which helps cooling the heat for the chili sauce. And we're gonna add the juice of half a lemon. We're gonna add some salt and pepper. I used my Jack and Smoke salt and pepper mixture, approximately 1 to 2 teaspoons or so, just like that. And after mixing that, we're gonna add some peppermint. So that gives a kind of an oriental flavor, which perfectly fits to that. And the last component we are looking for is a falafel. So I hope you got what falafel is. We got some here. We're gonna take like one of that, approximately with the size of the bun, and then we're gonna add that to the burger later. And once this one is fried ready, we are now able to build the burger. So we're gonna get started with the bun. We have already toasted that, roasted that a little bit, should not be any darker than that. We're gonna add 2 teaspoons of that same chili sauce, 2 lettuce pieces, then the patty with the cheese and the chili sauce. Really nice color right now. And then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of that yogurt sauce. You might now realize that it's a little bit thin, so it's kind of a little bit of messy, but it tastes really good. So next time you can add some cream cheese and mix it with the yogurt, so you have a consistency that stays on your burger a little bit longer, but I'm fine with that. So we are now putting on the falafel and the other part of the bun. It would be really cool if you hit that like button if you would like to eat that burger right now. I'm gonna give this a shot right now. Please make sure to subscribe to 0815 Barbecue if you haven't subscribed yet. We are seeing us again in the upcoming days. There will be a lot of videos coming up, so if you are a subscriber and put on notifications, you won't miss any other of the videos coming up. This is my oriental hot lamb burger. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you.